So your JBL is crackling and it sounds like your speaker is blown. It really isn't actually. There's a loose connection in the back. So what you're going to need to fix this is pick yourself up a soldering kit. Pick this up on eBay for about $20. So I'm going to jump right into it and take the speaker out here with the Phillips head. So underneath here is where your connection's getting loose. You might want to play with it a bit, turning it on and off, and listening to the noise and moving the wire around to see if it'll fix itself, and it'll sound better the more you wiggle with it. But I'm going to go right ahead and take the glue off. Even though it sounds okay now, I'm going to take the glue off and put some solder in there so it doesn't happen again. So now I got a pretty good amount of that glue out there, and you want to do more of like a pick and pull type deal than a grip and rip, because you don't want to disturb the wire. You see I put one screw back in just to hold the speaker steady while I'm working. And now what I'm going to want to do is get some solder under there as much as I can, right about in there on that copper piece, so it goes up to the top wire here. So as you can see now, I melted up the solder on the top here and spread it out a little bit more in case the connection was slipping down there. And also threw some solder underneath as well, with some solder going down the wire just in case those wires were loosening up as well. So yeah, hopefully this will do it. I'm going to reassemble it and see how it sounds. Alright, to test if the sound's working okay, you'll be able to hear it on the turn up of the device, and you want to make sure it's pushed against its hole as well as it can be, and you don't want to screw it all in because you don't want to take it apart if it's not good yet. And turn it on. Alright, so it sounds pretty good to me. This is the second time this happened to me on a JBL Charge 3, so I thought this time I'd put up a video, since the first time it happened to me I couldn't find anything on this problem, and I just thought my speaker was blown and I need a new speaker. But first time it happened on my right side, now it happened on my left. It's just that bass music. If you listen to bass music, it's probably going to happen again to me. Probably happen to you. It'd be good to have a soldering gun, unless you just want to buy a new speaker other than JBL. But it seems like with that type of bass music, it's just can't handle it, I guess. So hopefully it's helped some of you guys out, and yeah.